customers contemplating the purchase of custom software, we realize that this is often a journey into uncharted territory. At Winning Solutions Incorporated, we want our customers to understand that the journey does not have to be daunting, and you do not have to be an IT expert to succeed. WSI is ready to provide a steady hand through every step of your journey to success. Planning for your custom software is the key to success. We know that you and your employees work hard to ensure the success of your business. Often, however, much of this work involves repetitive, labor-intensive tasks. Spreadsheets are routinely updated, efforts are duplicated, and employees are not utilized to their full potential. As you reflect on the operations of your company, you realize there has to be a better way. You have an idea. Surely, much of the effort put forth by your employees could be better utilized if you had a custom software that worked specifically for you. That's where Winning Solutions Incorporated comes in. Here at WSI, we find not just answers, but solutions. In our decades of programming experience, we have helped numerous companies in all types of industry reach the potential that their company deserves by creating custom software. So how do you get started in creating a custom software for your company? Planning is the key to success. Your first official phone conference with WSI will be the show and tell for your company. This is the opportunity to tell us what you do and how you do it. Show us your Excel documents, impress us with your formulas, explain why your current order of operations isn't working to its full potential, and explain what parts of your process you're looking to improve. For the purpose of illustration, let's say that during your show and tell meeting with WSI, you describe your current need for a documentation management software. Currently, your company receives all types of electronic files, and users do their best to create folder systems, but it just isn't working anymore. Users can't find the files they need, other users don't have access to the files they need, and files are inadvertently getting deleted. You have users rummaging through their inbox looking for files, scanning the fax systems for documents, and you see the inefficiencies of every piece of your current system. How can WSI help? After your show and tell meeting, WSI will create a high-level workflow diagram for your company. This document ensures that we understand the logic behind the programming you are interested in. We look for ways to increase efficiency and evaluate the order of operations within your company. In this example of a workflow, the workflow begins with your company receiving an electronic file via fax, email, or scan. The electronic file is then indexed or filed into the custom management software with dates, notes, etc. Users may then search the file management software using a variety of field types. Next, the user can view the search results and sort the results as needed. Next, the user can select a specific file, and then once the file is open, the user may save, print, email, or fax the document. You can see that a workflow diagram displays the bones of your company's operations. Once you have approved the workflow diagram and ensured its accuracy, WSI will then begin creating a custom mock-up of your program. When creating any new software, design is imperative. Design helps the customer envision what the software will look like, but also demonstrates how the product will function. WSI will create a custom design mock-up for your project. This mock-up will allow your company to make decisions regarding the appearance and function of the software before you commit to the purchase of the product. Imagine this as your test drive of the software you are considering for purchase. Here on this screen, you can see an example of a login screen for your custom software. This screen provides an example of what a home screen would look like. In the document management software example that we've been discussing, the software provides the user with 4 options on the home page: index or file an electronic document, search files, management, or exit. The next page in the custom design mockup provides an example of the screen used to index a file. The user will begin by browsing to or locating the electronic document. The document will then appear in the preview pane on the right. Next, the user will enter the document area where the file should be placed. In this example, the employee, John Doe, has a new Social Security card, so the user will enter the document area as HR. Next, the user chooses a document type of identification cards, since the document is a Social Security card. Next, the user will enter the employee name, a document date, effective date if applicable, expiration date if applicable, and any appropriate comments. Once all the index values for the document have been set, the user may index the file, and the file will be saved appropriately and can be referenced for future use. The next page of the custom design mockup displays how a user should search for a file in the file management software. The user could enter the document area, document type, employee name, and document date range that they are searching for. Once a user has searched a particular set of data, the matching search results will display. The user can then open any particular file and have an option to save the file, email the file, print the file, or fax the file. In the custom design mockup, you can see how the software can be managed. Here we can see that the users can be set up, added, or removed within the application. On the next screen, we can see how the company can manage the document areas within the custom application. This keeps the application flexible and allows it to grow with the needs of your business. As you can see in these examples, a custom design mockup allows you to fully envision what the software will look like and how the product will function. The custom design mockup allows you to make decisions regarding the appearance and function of the software before any programming is done. So, why is planning your project so important? WSI has been involved in many projects. We have truly found that planning a project through workflow analysis and custom design mockup saves you money. You will ultimately spend less money on the development of your project by having a sound foundation on which to build it. This planning allows WSI to give a firm quote on the cost of your project and allows you to budget appropriately. Planning also means that there are no guessing games. We don't have to guess what type of software you have in mind, and you don't have to guess what type of software we are going to deliver. The planning documents created by WSI for your company's benefit are owned by you. They are an investment for a product you want to create. If you desire to take your workflow diagrams and mock-up to a different programming team, you are more than welcome to do so. Ultimately, the planning at this stage in the process will save your company both time and money with whatever programming team you choose. Planning documents created by WSI provide us with an opportunity to help make your business better. Remember, we have been doing this job for many years, and we have a lot of good suggestions up our sleeves. We we look for opportunities to provide your company with some exciting programming choices that may blow your mind. Here's the bottom line. You work hard. Let your custom software work hard for you. Take the steady hand of WSI and let us assist you in planning your journey to success. Thank you for considering the Winning Solutions team for your next project. We look forward to hearing from you soon.